some noise!
I don't like the way he's looking at you. I'm starting to think you want him too. Am I crazy? Have I lost you? Even though I know you love me, can't help. I turn my chin music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm turning red in the face. You can call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they hover me, no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. Everybody wants to taste. That's why I still get jealous. You're the only one invited. Said there's no one else for you. But you know I get excited. Hey, when you get jealous too, I turn my chin music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm turning red in the face. You can call me upset. Still, it's not your fault that they hover. I mean, no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous. That's why I get jealous. You get jealous. That's why I still get jealous.
How you doing, Mace?
Hi YouTube, if you want to make sure that you get all the X Factor videos, then subscribe now.